Okay, what we got here is another special order for the BREHM CORP. They needed a oil filter cutter, and he gave us some specs on it and told us to kind of just make it so it works. So basically, you put your oil filter in there where the pop can would go, and then there's a cutter blade here that adjusts. You just adjust it with a screw up to your oil filter, and you basically spin the oil filter around, cuts it off just like a pipe cutter would cut it off. And it's adjustable for all kind of different size filters. You can even do bigger filters here. We took it and he did his testing with it, and it passed the test, did what it wanted to do. There was a lot of concern with this, but he's not concerned with that being wobbly. He's just as long as the cutter followed the same track every time, he was happy. Thought that might even help it follow the same track. He wasn't sure, but that was okay. He said we could change that later if possible. The only thing we did get in trouble, or if necessary, the only thing we did get in trouble for is we had this golf ball handle. He didn't think that was too cool. So to make up for it, we made this little aluminum knob, and then we blackened the parts with some gun blue to make it look a little nicer and not rust. You know, he was a little sore about the golf ball handle, so he's an image guy. He likes to look good. I can see why he thought this was kind of hokey, so apologize for that. Try not to let that happen again. And then he's been casting some aluminum. So this is his piece of cast. We cleaned that up the best we could. Got a couple little corners there. He melted down some 400 series pistons or something to get the aluminum. But he's got a piece here. 2 1/4, 2 1/4, about 1.5 inches. Kind of a piss poor way to make this square material, but if he could cast kind of goofy stuff and sand, he could have something going there. But square blocks, we can probably buy a square block pretty cheap from a Master car. Maybe we'll check that out and see how much it costs. But hey, as long as he's having fun, who cares? Whatever. Okay. Nice bluebird day. Can't go snowmobile riding, so we're burning pizzas again. Got some updates to the pizza oven. Got a temperature gauge added to it. And then we're gonna put, we're getting them too hot, so we got some spacers in there. And then another plate's gonna go in there, another stone. And then we're gonna cook on top of that. See how that works, because we were getting kind of black crusts on the bottom. We're up to about 350 in there right now, according to our temperature. Oh yeah, let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh yeah, that's way better. No black bottom. We're rolling about yeepers, 600 degrees. I've got another one ready to go in. Neighbor. This is my guy. Can't ride these. Grills are closed. Stuck eating pizza. Come on, man. Well, maybe there ain't another pizza coming. Can you see the heat coming off on the wall? He's hot. Oh, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's bubbling. Pepperoni's starting to curl up. 600 degrees in the dome. Where am I pointing at here? Okay, the bottom plate is 680. top plate's 530. That's going to probably make all the difference. Because the damn bottom was curling up and burning. Oh yeah, man, that's looking good. Okay, here's pizza pie number 2. What do you want to look for in a good pie?
Leoparding. See how that has the dark
Oh, it's the spots on the bottom. You don't want it all golden brown. Oh yeah, pepperoni's curling. Ooh, let's try that one out. All right, let's put another one in. Number 3. We're cooling it down a little bit here. We're 500. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Oops. All right, let's check the leopard on the belly of this baby. Oh man, yeah. Looks like mold on there. Oh yeah. It's like dominoes.
Pretty close.
Alright, now we're trying some bread. Got a couple little buns in the oven. Smells pretty good.